In the early days, our ancestors were hunters and gatherers. Their main source of food was natural, from and off the land. They gathered wild berries, seeds, fruits, and wild vegetables, which provided them with much-needed nutrients. Meat came from wild games, deer, elk, rabbits, and prairie dogs. They did not lead sedentary lives because they were always busy hunting and gathering wild foods. Many years later, the Europeans arrived and introduced sheep, goats, and cattle for our ancestors to care for and supplement their food source. They were given seeds and taught how to garden and grow their own corn, squash, melons, and beans to supplement their diet. There was no epidemic of chronic diseases then. They ate the organic food and vegetables from their garden and consumed the livestock from their flock. As time passed, our people kept themselves busy by herding sheep, horseback riding, running, and gardening. We added miles to our moccasins. In the late 60s, the government started issuing out food rations, which we call commodity foods. This is when we were introduced to processed foods such as canned meat, processed cheese, dried noodles, lard, and white processed flour. No one realized that our people would develop diabetes and other chronic diseases from government-issued food. If that wasn't bad enough, then fast food chains came along. Bashes and other convenience stores opened on the reservation, making processed food readily available. Shopping at local grocery stores was frightening as most young people began filling their shopping carts with sugary foods and beverages high in carbohydrates, such as soda, chips, and candy now lined store shelves. We started consuming more foods high in fat and developed a sedentary lifestyle. The need to garden or herd sheep wasn't there anymore. We spoiled our children with television and video games, so they became inactive and sedentary. They no longer wanted to play outside, go horseback riding, or do anything that involved physical activity. We forgot how to make our traditional food, which is better for us. We no longer need to walk, but drive. We began buying fast foods and microwave foods for our family to consume, and we hardly made dinner or ate as a family. The only exercise our children got is in their thumbs from playing video games. Our people are plagued by diabetes, heart disease, cancer, and other chronic diseases. We need to change our ways and adopt new habits. Take away the fast food by cooking more at home. Toss the Polar Pops, the pizzas, the burgers, and replace them with healthier choices. And start portioning size. Learn how to grow a garden. Fill half of your plate with fruits and vegetables. Eat leaner meats. Drink more water. Have a fruit instead of a sweet. Limit your salt and sugar intake. And every day have your child get 1 hour of physical activity and half an hour for an adult. Going back to our traditional ways of life and eating can be a healthier choice.